Eagle, Houston, we see you on the steerable, over. Roger, how does it look?
Eagle has wings.
Roger. Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet. You're looking great.
How you doing, Control?
We look good here, fine.
All right, how about you, Telcom? Go.
Guidance, you happy?
Go, Fido. Go.
Lights on. Forward. Forward. 40 feet down, 2.5. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a very quick episode of Thai Talk. I thought I would show you guys something that a friend of mine over in the States has decided to purchase from a local seller here in Thailand. I think you'll all agree with me, this is one hell of a beautiful exhaust pipe. It was purchased from a local seller, selling it in used condition, but you can see that the condition is fantastic. There's hardly any blemishes, and it was a third, maybe a little less than a third of the price of a full price titanium pipe, which is not cheap. So I think he's going to be super happy when this gets to him. I'm going to post it to him. The pipe is for a 54 to 56 millimeter cylinder. So I just wanted to share with you guys this little purchase that the friend of mine has made, and honestly I think he's going to be over the moon when he gets this. The exhaust welds are just impeccable, absolutely fantastic. So I just thought I'd share with you guys this little thing here. Is just absolutely beautiful. I'm sure he won't mind me doing a little episode about this. Anyways, I'll see you next time for the next video. Peace.